Welcome to Prepsaret channel. GED RLA Practice Exam Questions. Part 3. Passage 1. Argumentative passage. Plastic bags should be banned from retail stores. They contribute heavily to environmental pollution and pose a threat to wildlife. Alternatives like reusable cloth bags are more sustainable and cost-effective in the long term. While some argue that plastic bags are convenient, the environmental cost outweighs their short-term benefits. Passage 1 question. What is the author's main argument? A. Plastic bags are too expensive to produce. B. Wildlife is not affected by plastic waste. C. Reusable bags should replace plastic bags. D. Plastic bags are more convenient than cloth bags. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Reusable bags should replace plastic bags. Explanation. The author argues that plastic bags are harmful to the environment and should be replaced with reusable alternatives. Passage 2. Literary reading passage. The sun dipped below the horizon as Clara wandered through the empty carnival grounds. The air still smelled of popcorn and sugar, though the lights had gone out and the laughter faded. She paused at the rusting carousel, placing a hand on a faded horse's mane, remembering summers long past. Passage 2 question. What mood is most clearly conveyed by the passage? A. Joyful and celebratory. B. Mysterious and suspenseful. C. Nostalgic and reflective. D. Angry and frustrated. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Nostalgic and reflective. Explanation. The imagery in Clara's actions evoke a sense of longing and remembrance, creating a nostalgic tone. Passage 3. Informative passage. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. This process takes place in the chloroplasts of plant cells, using a green pigment called chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is essential not only for plant life, but also for providing the oxygen we breathe. Passage 3 question. According to the passage, why is photosynthesis important? A. It cools the environment. B. It turns soil into nutrients. C. It produces oxygen and food for plants. D. It removes pollution from the air. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. It produces oxygen and food for plants. Explanation. The passage explains that photosynthesis allows plants to produce glucose and oxygen, both vital to ecosystems. Passage 4. Expository passage. Electric cars are powered by batteries instead of gasoline engines. These vehicles produce fewer emissions, making them environmentally friendly. However, they require access to charging stations, which are not yet available in all areas. As battery technology improves and infrastructure expands, electric cars are expected to become more common. Passage 4 question. What is the main idea of the passage? A. Gasoline cars are faster than electric cars. B. Charging stations are only found in cities. C. Electric cars will likely become more popular. D. Electric cars pollute more than traditional cars. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Electric cars will likely become more popular. Explanation. The passage discusses current limitations but emphasizes that electric cars are likely to grow in popularity due to environmental benefits and technological improvements. Passage 5. Nonfiction passage. Harriet Tubman was born into slavery but escaped and became one of the most famous conductors on the Underground Railroad. She helped hundreds of enslaved people reach freedom. Tubman also served as a spy for the Union during the Civil War. Her courage and leadership made her a lasting symbol of resistance to injustice. Passage 5 question. Why is Harriet Tubman considered a significant historical figure? A. She invented the Underground Railroad. B. She escaped slavery and helped others do the same. C. She was elected president after the Civil War. D. She led soldiers into battle during the Civil War. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. She escaped slavery and helped others do the same. Explanation. The passage highlights Tubman's escape from slavery and her efforts to help others, marking her as a major figure in the fight against slavery.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.prepsaret.com.